Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, clean your camera lens. So after cleaning your camera lens, open your camera and then go to 5x 0.5x zoom. Now move away the subject from the camera and then lock autofocus. So to lock autofocus, click on the object and press and hold on the object. So now you can see the focus is locked. So that's how you can fix your not focusing issue in camera. But if it's still not working, then turn on and turn off camera. So open camera app and close it and do it 2 to 3 times, and after that camera focusing issue will be fixed. And if it's still not working, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Then here scroll down and click on software updates, and here check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your camera is not updated to the latest version, then update it, and after updating restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting the camera focusing issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.